Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this object coming out of the letter effect on Canva. So I'm just going to choose a cat. Why did I type in Canva? A cat for this one. Preferably one that doesn't have a background. I'll just use this one that is so cute. And I'm going to add in like a text here. I'm just going to type in meow instead of cat actually, because I need that O. I'm also going to change the font to I guess a bolder one, like this one. Select your cat here and place it where the letter is. Then I'm just going to copy and paste the cat, and I'm just going to adjust it to so it's out of the text here. Like so. That is so cute. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you don't crop out her ears though, like I just did. You can also change the text as well, the colors if you'd like to. Maybe like a gray one for this. I'm just going to select it and place it more to the center. I think this is super cute, but that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.